everybody, Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. I have a 19 GT manual transmission in here today, 93 octane. We just installed the Roush, the Phase 2 Supercharger. It's a TVS 2650. We're gonna watch a dyno pull, and this is gonna be a pretty short video, but we are gonna go down and take a look. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us today. But first, Doug, let's go check this out. All right, I think this 19 looks really, really good. So here's what we've installed. It's the Roush, the TVS. It's a 2650 Supercharger. I will put a link in the description so you can open up, read a lot more about it, as well as you can email quote@brentspeed.com. But we didn't stop there. Doug, come down, take a look. You got the TVS, the 2650 intercooled. As always, when I show these videos, I love the air induction system on this car right here. We did billet oil pump gears. We did a rear cylinder head cooling kit. But besides that, this car is stock. We're talking stock exhaust manifolds, just running 93 octane, the 50 state calibration. Check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, check out these numbers. So we're talking manual transmission, 93, 50 state cal, 721 raw horsepower, peaking at 6,500 RPM. Torque came in, awesome, love that. 634, peaking at 4,500 RPM. I wanna take one more look at this car because it looks so cool. And I wanna talk a little bit more about the air today, which is really good. But I love this, 19 GT right here. Really good looking car. I mean, we get a lot of these coming in. And I'm a huge fan of this right here. I used to have one this exact same color, and being in this car today kind of makes me miss it. So here's the deal. The air today is really good. You know, the numbers, 721 of the tires. We're talking like 68 degrees outside. It's about 38% humidity. But like when you walk outside, it's really crisp, it's fresh. And we knew it was gonna make a good number, and it did. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. And don't forget, check that description. We can definitely show you a link to the parts you can click on. We have these blowers in stock, the oil pump gears, cylinder cooling kits. Ship everything right to your door, or email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's that cost to get installed? Thanks for watching.